Welcome to Nature's Wild Playground, and today we are going to be dressing our tomato plants. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe to see why I do this. So here I have wheat hay and aged cow manure. Now you're going to go ahead and put your cow manure down first, but you want to stay away from the main area of this plant. So basically right around where I drew the line is about where you want to try to keep the manure away from it so it don't burn. So I'm going to go ahead and break this up a little bit. I tested this soil, the nitrogen's good in it, but that's about it. So I'm just going to chop dress this, not too much. You don't want to burn your plants. And I'll explain to you why I'm going to put this wheat hay on top here in a second. This, putting cow manure down like this is just going to give it extra nutrients. So now that we have enough cow manure down, the leaves that are touching the soil, eventually you're going to want to go ahead and remove those leaves. You're going to pinch them off or cut them off right at the base of the main stalk, because with the water splashing up and the dirt coming up and hitting the leaves, you're going to have an issue with possibly blossom end rot. You're gonna have blight issues. Blight is a major thing. Make sure when you do plant your tomatoes that you know for a fact, or the best to your knowledge, that the soil did not contain any blight, because blight is carried in the soil, then it automatically goes to your plant. Put a little bit more in here, and we're putting, you can use, what is that, wood chips for this. You can use wheat hay like I am doing. You may use regular hay, straw, whatever you prefer. And all it's going to do is keep the moisture out, or keep the moisture in your soil, sorry. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more helpful tips and gardening tricks. Thanks for watching.